Ukubishiramo? Yeah. Theo kandi ushize wabishizemo. Ndi kubyina burya ndi kubyina ibintu bitabaho.
Hello my wonderful peoples. So it's getting too cold to record outside, so I'm exploring new areas in my house to record. Let me know what you think of it. Do you guys remember my friend Bijoux? We did a traditional dance tutorial video last year and you guys loved it and you wanted more, and also for men. Well, meet Alain. Alain and Bijoux are both professional dancers from the same crew. They love to dance and they are good at their craft. They also danced at the Cuisine event, the one I visited last September. In the next few videos, Alain is going to teach us a few basic steps for the men.
Like this, you have to look in front, you have to look your fabric.
And Bijoux is going to teach us some new moves for the women. Delise and I were lucky enough to get some personal tutoring from them.
You bend your arms. Then you spread them.
By the way, if you guys like me to upload more of these kind of dance tutorial videos, please support my crowdfunding campaign. I'm raising money to open a gym in Rwanda, and I will use that gym location to record more of these traditional dance tutorials with local youth dancers like Alain and Bijoux. It is the first link below this video. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and click on this bell to get notified when I upload the next video. I will leave you with this beautiful dance duet between Alain and Bijoux. Dancing is also a way of storytelling. I wonder if you can tell which story Alain and Bijoux are telling here.